T minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Hello and welcome to Team Phoenix United. Our team is here to achieve something challenging at the NASA Space App Challenge. With the members of Team Phoenix United, Shrita Zadde Babu, Vishali Pathania, Saurabh Verma, Anubhav Agarwal and Chirag Verma. Our mission is to create something new, something extraordinary. So, presenting you our program with the power of NASA data. The weather is one of the most powerful forces on Earth. But how do you know what the weather is going to be like? So you can plan ahead. A lot can go wrong. As we see in the real world, many times we experience many problems due to the bad weather. Meetings, businesses and tour gets cancelled. Every year almost 120,000 flights gets cancelled or delayed due to the poor weather. Our main aim was to develop an application that gives the real-time performance of weather. So, first things first, introducing you to something extraordinary, NASTApp. So, what is NASTApp? NASTApp is an amazing user-friendly mobile application that is specially designed for astronauts, visualizing NASA data to predict the accurate weather. A lot of data. Another vital ingredient is space. Satellite in space have the big picture, which gives us the ability to see the weather before it reaches us. Orbiting around the globe 14 times a day, 850 kilometers per hour, keeping a close eye on the humidity, temperature and winds. In our proposed system, we are developing an Android application for detecting weather conditions report at the present location, and which will side by side cover up many disadvantages of the existing system, which are not much accurate and need to enter details and take a lot of time. Let's see how our app works. So this is NASTApp. Through the home page, you can get all the information about the weather forecasting. And now, moving forward to the NASTApp tab, where the real thing happens. These applications allow you to explore weather in real time, in 3D. With this application, you can check the accurate weather details at the moment, and also tells us about whether the weather conditions is safe to do any missions or traveling regarding flights, spacecraft, ships and more. There is also a section for kids where kids can explore. We also have NAS Laser. We can know a lot about laser, which is being used to communicate and transfer massive amounts of information. Through this program, astronauts can calculate the intensity of laser so that they can understand the network packet size, which helps in better communication. With this innovative application, people around the world can now see and be ready for the upcoming weather. First time in 3D, it helps astronauts to predict the weather and communicate easily, and inspire people to explore our weather in a much better way.